Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to practice putting words in ABC order to the third letter. So I'd like to begin by putting, first of all, at the top of your paper, the letters of the alphabet up at the top. That's just a nice visual reminder. It's a little bit of a helpful tip. It's something that I do, and so I would encourage you to do that as well. And it will help us in our lesson. So I'm going to begin by writing 3 words. We're going to practice with the words bring, broke, and brave. So I'm going to go ahead and write those now. They begin with the same first 2 letters. And so we are going to have to go ahead and look to the third letter to help us put them in alphabetical order. What I like to do, and what I encourage you to do as well, is underline the third letter, again, as a visual reminder to help us put them in alphabetical order. And so also what I would encourage you to do is go ahead and just kind of number your paper like this so that we can know to put them in ABC order. And so what we're going to do is, since they all begin with BR, we have to look at the third letter. And so now what we're going to ask ourselves is, what comes first in ABC order? This is where you're going to go ahead and look up at the top at your alphabet line, and you can ask yourself, okay, what comes first in ABC order? And we're going to look to the third letter. So let's look at our alphabet line. What comes first in ABC order? Is it A? Let's look at our alphabet line. Okay, well, we can see that A comes first in ABC order. So our first word in ABC order is going to be brave because A is first in ABC order. So we're going to write brave as our first word in ABC order, and then I'm going to cross it out because we're no longer using it. So now we look to our other third letters. We're going to ask ourselves, what comes first in ABC order? Again, let's look at our alphabet line and let's see what comes first in ABC order. Is it I or is it O? Well, if we look in ABC order, we can see that I comes before O. So I is going to be our next word in ABC order. So we're going to write that over here, and that's bring. So bring is going to be our next word in ABC order. And then I'm going to cross that out because we've already used it. And then let's look at our next third letter. Well, we know that's our only one left, but if we look at our ABC alphabet line, we know that it's the only one left, and we can see that O would be the last one in ABC order, so broke would be our last word in ABC order. So we're going to go ahead and write that down, and I'm going to cross it off. And so we've written these 3 words in ABC order, and so here we have in ABC order, the words are brave, bring, and broke, because we've looked at the third letter, and A is first in ABC order, and then I, and then O. Let's do one more set of examples. Let's do the words save, sail, and same. Okay, again, all 3 of these words start with the same first 2 letters. They all start with S-A. So now we have to look to the third letter. So I'm going to underline the third letter just as a visual reminder for myself, and I would encourage you to do that as well. And then over here, I'm going to number my paper so we can go ahead and put them in ABC order. So we're going to look to the third letter, and then we're going to look at our ABC order line to help us. So which of these third letters comes in ABC order first? Well, let's look at our alphabet line. Is it V, is it I, or is it M? Well, if we look at our alphabet line, we can see in ABC order that A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I comes first. So our first word in ABC order is going to be the word sail. So I'm going to write sail, and then I'm going to cross it out. Now let's look to our next third letter. Which of these third letters comes next in ABC order? Is it V or is it M? Look to your alphabet line. Which letter comes next in ABC order? V or M? M comes next in ABC order. So our next word for ABC order would be same. So I'm going to write same. I'm going to cross it out. And then as process of elimination, our last word for ABC order would be save. But we know that just by looking at that third letter, V, after M, V is all the way down at the end of our alphabet line, and save would be our last word in ABC order. So I'm going to cross it out. So amongst these three words, when we put them in ABC order they are sail, same, and save.